Okay, now it's live.
Okay, now, yes. So, but I don't see. Yeah, okay. So let's start.
Okay. All right. So do we start from part 0? Or do you want to skip that part?
I think we can skip it.
Okay, we'll start from part 1. Okay.
Let's see. I'm pasting the URL for YouTube for you to grab later. Okay.
Okay.
So you already took the cloned the Git, right?
Yes, I cloned it.
Okay, very nice.
Okay. So
Okay.
first.
Okay, use test-driven development.
Okay, yeah. So I am running auto test,
Okay.
and then so we gotta open up. Let's see. App? No. Is it app the RV? No.
I think it's no. I think it's hang person game. It's in the lib, right?
Yeah, I got it. Can you see it? I opened the file.
I don't really see your windows. It's really strange. I only see the ones I have opened.
Huh.
This is really strange. Yeah.
So
I don't know.
you can't see what I'm doing.
So you have opened hangpersongame.rb, right?
Yes, you should be able to see what's going on though.
Oh, now I can see your, yeah, now I can see a cursor, so that's okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
and we got to open up the spec. Yes, game spec. Okay, you can see all that, right? Both of these.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start from the first. Describe new. I'm gonna take this off.
Okay.
See, so this first one should pass. So expect Hangman word to equal glorp. Okay, so they're saying we need to initiate. So this one passed right here. So we need to initiate the word, which is already done though. That's weird. That should already work right here. Huh.
Are you saying it's already working?
No, I'm saying, you see, so can you see the one I just highlighted, this one? Expect hangperson.word to equal glorp. That part. Line 16
Line 16.
of the test.
Yeah. I can see it. Yeah.
This should already work because this in the hangman person, this is already initialized. Word equals word. That's initialized. So I don't know why that's not working.
Let me see in auto test. Hold on. Takes a parameter and it doesn't have person. That's because the first one fails. It doesn't create a hang person object, right?
No, the so you're on this block, right? The describe new do this one.
Yes. But I think it fails. The first one fails. This one. And that's why.
That's not a test though. That's just something that's got to initialize in the parameters.
But since it cannot create an object, it cannot run this one.
No, but that one passed.
So which one is not passing? The one I am highlighting?
No, I think this one's not passing.
But that's because we don't have accessor for the instance. You cannot run dot word because dot word is a method, and
You're
there is
right.
no such method.
You are right. Okay. Let's get rid of this
Y-
stuff.
Yeah, you need accessors for these instances.
Word guesses. Okay. And then now we need to initialize guesses as a blank.
Did you save it? Oh no, you're changing. Yeah, I see.
But see, I need to initialize the guesses and wrong guesses to be an empty string, otherwise it's going to be yelling at me.
May I ask you a question, David? Why are you putting these two pipes?
Okay, so this is just basically saying this is the same thing as this. Let me show you. So this is equal to like guesses equal to like if let's say we had another variable, right? Let's say another variable. Actually, let's do this. So add guesses equals to guesses, right? Guesses, which is like, or equals to guess, which is the letter that's being guessed, or equals to blank, which basically means if there's nothing else in the variable, set it to blank. So that's basically
Yeah.
combining this. So you know how you can do this? X plus equals to 1. That's the same.
Yeah, I understand. I'm just really, I'm questioning whether it's really needed in the initialize method, because it's the first method you will create, and
Oh no,
you.
the reason why you need it is to look at this line in the test that says expect Hangman guesses to equal blank string. So if you don't initialize it, guesses would be start off as a nil, which means this test will pass. It will fail.
Okay, but why not to do this?
Okay, go ahead. Uh, yeah, I guess that will work. I think I did it that way because just in case there's something in there, you don't want to reset it for some reason. That's all.
Okay, just in case if later you will add it to the method, right, to the initialize method, and will pass it, these two as arguments, right? Is
No,
that?
it doesn't matter because this only runs when you first make an instance of the class. But yeah,
Yeah, I understand.
will work.
Yeah,
That's
I
fine.
understand. Yeah, okay. So it just behavior. You just do this in case you will add later a new variable, right?
Well, you mostly you do this a lot when you're like setting. Let's say you have an app that logs somebody in, and then you want to set the current user to something or something like that. Like you basically want to set it to something. Oh no, no.
Yeah,
What you do is so you have a user that's logged in right now, but you need to set the current user.
I understand. Yeah, I understand.
So basically, you're saying if there's a value already exists in current user, don't set it. That's kind
Yeah,
of
yeah. Okay, okay.
okay. Well, the test passed.
Did you save it already?
Yes, I saved it. So this
Oh,
block
okay.
is good. Do you want to do the next one? The describing guessing.
Yes, yes. Okay, now I'm going with switching, and I will take out this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one, and this one.
And there's one more here.
Ah, yeah, this one as well. I see.
Uh,
Okay.
you could just yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, please go on.
No, I go ahead. Yeah, you go ahead whenever you're ready.
Okay, after test run again, and we have failures. Okay, correctly and incorrectly. Okay, let me see. So what we do, we're guessing, and it changes correct guess list, and yeah, okay. Mhm. So what I basically do is that I'm doing unleash. Hold on. I have to.
Well, I mean, you're just checking if the letter is part of the word.
Yeah. So I'm doing like this. I'm saying if word include, what is the basic rule? I can access instance variable directly, right? There's no need for me to use the accessor because I can write like this one.
Oh, no, that you have to include the at.
No, because this one will also work. You know why? Because you have accessor here. This will work because this is a method of itself. But anyway, let me do like this.
You're right. No, you're right. You're right. I get it. Okay.
If word include char, right? Then this is char. And then we need to return true, right? Return true. And if else wrong guesses are and return true.
Oh, no, that should be. Oh, you're right. You're right. Okay.
Let me save and see if it actually did something good.
No, I'll pass it.
Okay, all passed, yeah. Yeah, but then the other two, are you going to do the next one?
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the same letters. A little bit. Okay, so same, so context. I just had to basically change the words. So less. No, I want to do it like this. Do you have to return a true?
It doesn't. It does. I think it doesn't check that. Let me see. Which you are now? Which one? Which one are you doing now? Same letter repeatedly, right?
Yeah, but I didn't. Hold on. I took out the true, the return true part. Yeah, there it goes. Huh. Wait. Oh no.
Yes, it says to be false. Yes, you see it should be, but you didn't. It's still pending, but it is within same letter repeatedly context. So it actually should return false if it is the same letter.
Okay, so let's put in another. Let's see. If this is dot include are false, else. That should work. Okay. pass. Oh,
Yep, yep.
that's, wait, no, that's not right. Hold on. This should be true. That's right. What is not passing? 62. Hangman guesses.
Returns false. Same letter repeatedly should return false.
Yeah, I have all that.
If wrong guesses include char, return false. Else wrong guesses true. If
Wait,
guesses
hold on.
include char.
Hold on. I gotta get rid of this. Okay, let's try that one more time. Now it's good. Okay, now we're good now. This passed, so we're on this case insensitive now.
So what was why it was penned? Ah, okay. So it is case insensitive.
I didn't yeah, it failed because for some I didn't remove the pending equals true part. I guess that was,
Ah, I see.
okay, now this should be easy. Hard down case.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
Yay, okay.
Very nice.
Yours invalid. Context invalid.
Okay, are you doing this or I'll be doing that?
Oh, you can do it. I did the last part.
Okay.
What's the top?
Okay. So invalid. I'm just removing these parts. Okay. Okay. Okay, throws an error when empty, throws an error when not a letter, throws an error when nil. Okay. Is notes argument error if char empty or char nil or not a letter or char not a letter. I think it is hold on. Belong.com. Not a letter. I can just check for AZ, right? And there's no need if not AZ.
Well, that's gonna give you a number, which technically will be true. So you have to set that equal to, that will return the index of the match, which will be 0. So you got to say this equals to 0, I think.
Not, but
No.
that's right. Yeah, that's right. Because in this case, this will be true, and it will raise an argument error. No.
Yeah, I guess it would technically be true. We can try it, but I don't know if this will work because, especially for the nil. Yeah, see, it didn't work for the nil because Ruby evaluate this 3 conditions from left to right. So he's gonna go here first, then here, then here. And when the guess is nil, there's no empty method for nil, so you had to switch these two to make it work.
Ah, yeah. This will be the first one to test, right?
Yes, because yeah,
Yeah, I understand. If it's nil, it doesn't have any method. But if it's nil, it will not evaluate even the other two, because the first one is true, and then
yeah, it just skips the rest, so it wouldn't be a
yes.
okay. Now everything should pass. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Moving on. Okay. Describe.
Your turn. Yeah.
Oh, almost there. Almost there. Okay. Save that. Everything fail. Okay, so we have test cases. Each pair do should be guessed letters. So, so this would be. Let's see, what is this one? Guess of a letter expect game. Okay, so we need a new method called word with guesses. Okay, so now what we need is we need to return the string, right? So let's see, display or initialize it with a bunch of these things times or that one. Okay, so now we need to loop through the guesses. Wait, now look at the word. Word dot each index to our index. Okay. Mm, so display of index equals to char if guesses dot include char. Finally, let's see if that works. Am I closed? Oh, that's why.
It says undefined method.
Yeah, there's no each method for a string. So how do you use each char?
Ah, yeah, I see.
So yeah, we're good.
Okay, so you take each character from the string with index.
Well, yeah, basically, so I created it just like the blank slate for the word, so with the same number of, I guess, the lines.
Yeah, that's understood. But then the other one, I kind of skipped. So you call each character one by one from the string, right?
Yeah.
But does the character has method with index?
No, that's just two different methods. Basically, what I'm
Yeah,
saying, to loop through each character of the word, and then give me the index associated with that character. I'm just combining the two methods. That's all.
yeah, that's understood. But I thought that each character will give you just one symbol, and then it's with index will be just every time zero. But I think maybe I missed something.
Okay, so you know the word, there's like a index number for each letter, right? The zero will be the first letter, one will be the second
Yeah,
letter.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what these two methods does. So each chart allow me to loop through every single character of the word, and then with index just allow me to get that index number of that character, which I need.
Uh,
So I needed to replace the same the dashes from the display variable at the same same spot.
Yeah. That's also, I understand. I just kind of, I thought that if you put a dot after each char, then what is the return value of each char?
Well, what do you mean return? It doesn't. It just loops through each character.
But how with index method understand that? Yeah, I think I need to brush up something. Let's go on. Let's move on because
And
I need to
you know that
understand.
the array has a method called each with index, right? Like one method.
Yeah. That's one method. But when it's one method, that's fine. But
It
here
basically,
you combine two methods.
yeah, it's very similar. The with index is just considered like an attachment to the each char method.
Ah, okay. So it is possible to run with index with each char. Then I understand that each char gets something as a. So which one takes control of this block? Is it with index that takes control, or it's each char that takes control of this block?
I think probably each char with index. It's just more of an attachment. I think.
Okay, I
I could be
understand
wrong,
now.
but it's probably better to go read up on it. But that's how I.
Yeah. I will read upon it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. Well done. Now my turn. Game status. Okay. 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 All failed. Should be win when a lot is guessed. Should be lose after 7 incorrect guesses. Should continue play if neither win nor lose. Okay. Check win or lose. Okay. Winners if wrong guesses length equal 7, right? Win if I need to check to equal win. Guess our latest game OGD. How do I check that? Okay. Guesses. Okay. I can do like this. If if so I basically need to check if each of the words characters are in guesses string, right?
Yeah, that's one option. Another way you can just do it, just check the length of word and guesses, because we already had everything written to eliminate duplications. So the length matched. I mean, if they guess all the words, right?
Once again, we can eliminate duplicates and check the length, right?
Yes, check the length of word against guesses. So if they're the same, then they guessed everything.
Yeah, you're right. In that case, they guessed everything. Yeah, you're right. So then I do I need to look up this. Hold on. I need to look up this method on string. Right.
It's just dot length, so our like the one you had before.
No, wait, but I need to eliminate the. How do I eliminate duplicates in a word?
Oh, I
Because,
know what you said. Okay, okay. No, that
but you're right. There should be the approach is good. I like it, but there should be a method to do this quickly, right?
yeah. This one. Oh,
Let
good.
me look up the string but it's
That's the
not
method.
the string. It will be not a string. It will be probably
It might have to turn into array to make it work.
duplicate. Yeah,
Okay, no, I see what you're saying.
duplicate. If the string is in front, then duplicate.
You can write a loop before before you do all this to check if they already won. Like loop through each word and see basically do what I did with the word with guesses.
In array there should be uh, in
Oh,
array there should be just one method. So I want to be I want to use the Ruby way of doing this.
I
Is
don't know.
it?
I don't know, dude. You don't want to modify the word then, because we're probably going to need this variable to display. If you
No,
modify
no,
the
I will not modify it. I will not modify it because
oh, also something else we can do is we can use a method.
unique. Okay, it is unique, right? It should be then like. Do you think this will work? Unique and then length, right? Equal guesses length.
I It's unique. Doesn't unique work on strings?
Uh, let's see if it is. You say that it might be. It is not comparable, right? It's
Oh, let's try it. Hold on. Let's say we have foobar word dot unique. Yeah, see, there's no unique for a string, so you're gonna have to do word dot to or split dot unique dot.
Are you typing in a terminal? Because I don't see what you're typing.
Oh, I'm typing the yeah in a terminal. So unique is
Okay.
not does not work for string.
It doesn't work with string, right?
No, it's an
Mm,
array method. Okay,
okay.
here's another option. We set a variable called display equals to word with guesses. So that's the one we just wrote. So this will get the display, and then they will win if display uh, include not include. That will win, right? That will work.
Yeah. You're right. It's smarter way, yeah. And otherwise, we will just return play, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's save it. Yeah, I really like the way you approach, you approach the problems. I believe you have a very good experience in programming. So it's some kind of mind attitude. You're kind of thinking in a differently.
I just don't like to work that hard. That's all. Okay, so
Okay.
so the next part, I already read all these parts, so I guess we can skip all these questions, right? You good with that? We just gotta just do the homework.
Cucumber part, right? Okay, let's do it. Yeah, because I also skipped them all. Yeah,
No, no,
reviewed them.
I already read all the stuff for the
I,
homework,
I also, yeah, I also did that. So
so we can skip. All right, let's see. This is
And part 2 is just reading. It's just preparation for part 3. And basically part 3, 4, 5, and yeah, 3, 4, 5 is just a cucumber farm.
So let me see. Do we have to rerun, Jim? Yeah, we do. Okay. So let's do this. Let's run. I will run this app. Oh, what happened? Okay. Do I have to do
So you're
something?
running cucumber now?
Not yet. Hold on. I'm trying to see what I need to do for this part.
Okay.
It says, oh, I know what. I'm not in the right directory.
Are you now following part 3 now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, this is the app, and if I remember reading it correctly, clicking new game will give an error. Okay, now we're good. We're exactly what we should. Okay, so quick. Okay, so now we gotta, looks like I gotta commit to it and send it to Heroku.
Yeah.
Git ID for Heroku. So I believe I'm already logged into Heroku. I want the normal name. Let's try CS 169 number 2 Hangman. Okay.
Yeah, this is really strange because I don't see what you type actually.
Oh, you should be able to see it on the Google Hangout because that's a screen I'm sharing with you. I don't know
Ah,
why.
you're now sharing it. Yeah, I see.
Okay, so
And I can switch. Yeah, I can switch to the.
okay, so I'm pushing it up to Heroku now. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, cool. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to Cucumber. Okay, so what do I have to do? Well, we got to do the features. Okay, so close out this. Now we need the feature. Start with start. So I guess now we're trying to make this path, right?
Yeah.
Cucumbers features start. Okay, so let's see which failed. Should guess a letter, so that failed. So we're gonna go to that. Yes. No. Okay, so we need to go to the views. So view method post. So we need an action. Slash new.
Is it post new or is it post create?
Oh wait. method post.
If you have a look in the app RB, then it will be.
Yeah, you're right. It's great. I mean, because the method is post. That's great. Okay, let me try this again.
Is there any sort of auto test for Cucumber, just like in RSpec shows it goes and rerun itself?
That I don't know. They didn't
I
mention
see.
anything on the. But I think auto test maybe only work for spec.
Okay. Well done. Then, yeah, now I'm switching to my terminal in Hangout. And yeah, the next one is.
I think guess. You gotta do guess. Guess that.
Yep. Subject question, running etc. App, connecting hand person to Sinatra. These are, sorry. So I don't need this one. I need this one. Okay, now, yeah. Simulate backend, subject questions. Yes, now the guess feature, right?
Okay, so wait, did you open up a file? Because I can't see anything.
Which one? Is it app RB, you mean?
No, I'm saying Cloud9. I can't see anything you opened. Did you open a file?
Yeah, that's the problem. It's because I switched in Hangout to your window to see what is going on. So you can
Okay.
also watch me in Hangout window.
No, I can't see any because the Hangout is my window. If I can't see it on my screen, then I can't see anything you're doing. I can just open the files for you. I think I can see it when you type. Yeah, try to type something.
In Hangout below there is me and you. You can switch between windows.
Oh, okay. I see.
But this is really strange because usually I can see what is going on. I can see how you change, navigate, and things like that. But then suddenly here I can only see my windows. Okay, so yeah. This I don't need. This also. This one you did the new one, right? The new game scenario. This one you did. Okay. Okay, now, yeah. Now I'm running Cucumber. Hold on. Okay. Cucumber features. Guess features. Okay, given I start a new game with word full bar, when I make the following guesses, then the word should read expected to find text in play. Okay, yes, we hit the show, right? This one? No, this one.
Yes.
And we basically just need to run game guess letter, right?
Yes.
So, show game guest letter. But how do we then? How do they save? Save. Yeah, it passed. It passed, but then I need to check if I already used that letter, right? Uh,
No,
then
that's the next part.
okay, okay.
This
Because
is
it says here if a guess is repeated, set flash message and things like that.
yeah. There's another one called repeated guess feature.
Okay, okay, okay. So now
So
your turn, right?
yes. Okay. So
I will
basically,
switch in Hangout to your screen so that it is captured. Okay.
ready?
Yep.
Okay. So now we're saying if um, I need to go back to the. So here we say raise argument error. Is there a way?
Uh, we we need to catch the exception, right?
Yeah, how do you do that? If uh,
Um, I think we need to enclose it into some. I don't remember really how it was. Let me look it up. Um, okay, if I do.
oh, there's a catch and throw
Yep.
or begin rescue. Okay, so what do we do? Begin.
Exceptions. Yep. Handling and raising. Are you already? So you're okay.
So I think if we
Uh,
do it like this, begin
do you
rescue.
see? Do you see my screen? Shared screen. There
Hold
is
on.
a there is this begin, rescue, and yeah, you're right. It's just basically begin, rescue, and end.
Okay,
This one.
so we do begin. That's gets a letter, and rescue would be flash message. So here is the invalid guess.
Yeah.
And then up here we got to do um, if guesses dot include letter or as long guesses.
I think there is no need to do this because the game guess will return false in the case of a repeated.
Uh,
You can just check for the return value, right?
yes. If okay, yeah, you're right. If guess um,
If it falls, then it's you have already used that letter.
unless this is true, do flash message. You have already used that letter.
And don't forget to change guesses to game because there is no.
Oh, then I can get rid of.
Yeah, this one. Yeah,
No, but do I? Because will this execute?
it should. Yeah, why not?
We'll give it a shot. Okay. Let me
You can
try.
even you can I think you can even emit at game as well because. But let's try do this way.
I think you have to use at game because it's at game is an instance variable. I can't access it otherwise. I don't think.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry, I'm still, I'm still, I'm still think that because we're in different object completely. Yeah, you're right. It's an app object. It's not the Hank person itself. Yeah.
Oh, failed.
So
Right. So let's see, there's a lot of them failed. Okay. You have
Which
already
one failed?
used that letter. So hold on. I like this. If equals false,
Yeah, just to make sure, yeah, exactly. If it is.
else. Like that.
But are you running guess letter twice?
The first time doesn't actually runs it. It just checks it. So you still gotta run it. No, because so this if statement just basically checks if it returns a false. But I don't think because it doesn't really do anything. I mean, because if this is true, then it goes. Or sorry, this is not true, then it goes down to this. So you still have to run it.
Whoa, wait a minute, David. Are you sure? Because how it can check if it's true if it doesn't run it? It should run it before.
So you're saying I don't need the else part?
Can you check? Can you just comment it out just to make sure? Because this is really, to me, it's really strange. You cannot check the value if you don't run it.
Oh, you are right. I don't need it because it does run it. Okay, so basically it runs it, and if it's equal to false, it sets the.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
You're right. So this one's good.
Okay. Now my turn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The only part left is
Game over.
yeah, features game over. Oops. Okay. Now I just check if yeah. Since we have a method, right? A ready method for that. Uh, so what we do is that we call check win or lose. Sorry, let me see exactly what's the. Well, it says check win or lose. Yes, check win or lose. Check win or lose. Yeah. So I just check will win or lose, and if count equals lose, I redirect to lose. Else if count equal win, I redirect to win. And no, sorry. Else I just show this one.
You made a typo. There's no E in else if.
Oh yeah, sorry. So we check the let me try to run it and see if nope. Did I crash something? because the number of failures just whoop, it just get win to ARB win if can't win or lose. Now I see the problem. Okay.
Was there typo?
Yeah. Mhm.
Everything.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. So
Uh,
what we're gonna do next?
let's see. Pick a scenario. Corner. Use this develop.
Corner cases.
You will need to have code flow where the game is actually slowly developed to call the game.
So if we need, I think we need to cover the cases when people will try to cheat by applying /win and /lose, right?
Yes. So I mean, all we gotta do is the same thing. Just do the exact same thing and just redirect them. Let's see. So we'll do the same thing. I'm just gonna copy your code. If equals to lose, redirect. If it's equal to win, no, I don't have to do anything. If it equals to play, redirect to, or just to, just do ERB show, right? ERB show. And else, ERB win. That should prevent that from happening. And then the same thing here for, I don't really want to keep doing this though. It seemed like too much repeat.
Yeah. So I will copy this one. But if a person will add /win or /lose in a browser, it will be counted as if it's in the same session, right? So by just checking the session will not suffice, right? Do I understand correctly?
I think so, yeah. I mean, if
Okay.
they are just in the middle of playing the game and they just go to /win, it will just show them the word and set they won. So you need to somehow check for that.
So if it is win, if it is win, right? We will redirect to win. Else, if it is play, I will do show. Is this correct?
Yeah, it
So
should be.
in win you check if it's lose, then it will redirect to lose. If it is play, it will redirect. Why don't we redirect to show or in win? It will be the restful way, right?
What do you mean?
You see, we explicitly run show here, but
Uh-huh.
it is in win, right?
Well, no,
Maybe we can.
we're running show because if they went to that URL before they won the game, we want to send them back to show.
Yeah, but we can put just redirect show here, right?
Oh, here? No.
Here. Can we just redirect to show?
Yeah. But isn't that the same thing?
It is the same thing, but it's just a matter of being restful, you know. It's like we are now using It's like we are using, you see, we don't do ERB lose here or ERB win here. We do redirect.
Okay, okay, you're right.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay, so I'm gonna start
Shall we? Yeah. So I will just run the cucumber one last time for all the features.
Okay.
Yeah, all passed.
Awesome. Okay, so you can switch over to mine now, and then I can test run it. That's not real cute.
Okay, I switched it to your.
Okay, so we do new game. That's weird. So it's not working right now.
But we need to deploy it to Heroku, right?
I'm just testing it on the local server before I deploy.
Ah, I see what you mean.
So the new is get. There's still something off about.
Did you rerun Sinatra? Because you need to rerun app.
Yeah, I have it. I have the rerun on currently. I can restart it. Okay. Oh, there we go. So let me see. Here's Q. All the letters that you wouldn't normally see. V. K. L. Oh. Okay, so that worked. Let me actually win this one. Rare? No. Rant? No. What is it?
Rack, maybe. Oh no, it's not rack.
W? E.
Try
B? Rash.
rash.
Okay.
E.
E.
Or yeah, we got it.
A. N. R. Well, I know there's a way to make this. Oh, season.
A season. Yep.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I win.
we get.
Now let's try a new game, and I'm going to try to cheat. Oh, we send this directly back to here. And then let me see something. If I want to guess a couple letters, make sure when I do the redirect, I switch over.
Yep, it works, right?
Okay, what else can we do to test this and make sure this actually works? I don't know. I think it works. I'm gonna push up the Heroku so you can play with it too, and we'll just.
Okay. Stopping the broadcast then.
Wait, no, I still gotta push it up to Heroku. I think they might want to.
Okay. Okay.
Get. Are you on my broadcasting my screen right now?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh. What? Oh. I accidentally copied over something. So git add it. Let's see what git commit root app git Okay, let's see if it works. Oh, I forgot one thing we forgot to test. We forgot to test what will happen if we don't do any letters. Okay, so that's invalid.
Worked.
1 is invalid. Okay. A, let's try A again. I already used that letter.
Try space.
Invalid.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I lost. Alright, let's try 5. It does not work. Okay, the one. Odd?
U or O?
Oh, I mean out.
Ogre. Maybe it's ogre.
Ogre?
Yeah. Is it? Try G. Nope. R.
Ah, oh,
Off. That was treat. You know, the shorter the word, the less chances you can.
yeah. I. Oh,
E.
that's cool.
Improve.
The win one. R. What is this?
What it can be. Try O.
Roll. Roll. Roll.
Roman. M.
Oh man, nah. Okay,
Yes.
so I think we are good. Let me give you this link. I think we just gotta submit that link, right? That's all we gotta do.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Then I'm stopping the broadcast, David.
Okay,
It was nice working with you.
you too.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.